Hello, good day. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you very much for your support. For today's picture, we're going to replace the main engine air cylinder for reversing. Sorry for I'm not able to upload some videos because I had been from vacation for about 2 months. So I'm so busy at home. So now for today, we're going to replace the main engine reversing cylinder in cylinder number 3 with second engineer and the fourth engineer. This engine is B&W MAN B&W S50MC-C. So let's go, guys. So guys, first of all, we're going to put the main engine fuel cam in astern. Then after that, secure the valve for air spring. For exhaust valve and fuel pump reversing mechanism. Air supply for air cylinder. Be sure that the cam must be in astern, the fuel cam, so that you can remove the spindle of the reversing mechanism and the air cylinder. So next, you have to remove or disconnect the magnetic solenoid valve for ahead and astern. Disconnect the pipings or fittings for the air supply ahead also and astern. This engine is a MAN B&W 6-cylinder S50MC-C. So by the way, we're going to disconnect all the fittings, air connections, from the air cylinder. Shout out to the second engineer Barok and fourth engineer Galasa. As you can see, the spindle from the cam, fuel cam, and the spindle of the air cylinder. This must be an astern command so that the spindle and the connections in between you can see, and you can remove there in this part. If the cam is ahead, you cannot see this one and you cannot dismantle. So bear in mind before you disconnect, check, remove the cover and check if the connections, the nuts, you can remove it there. Then we have to dismantle the end cap, and you can see the air cylinder, the piston, the rubber cap, the magnetic cap. Remove this so that you can also remove the body. Remove all the studs. Hello guys, as you can see, this is the new spare. So the remaining is the shaft of the air cylinder, closing the nut, lock nut, and turn the spindle. By the way, we're going to dismantle all the spare parts of the cylinder so that we can mount it to the position. We compare the old one and the new one. There is a difference. The shaft is more longer, but the shaft have damage. It was broken, the thread was broken, and we just make a new thread so that we can operate by when we arrive here. As you can see, our civil engineer is mounting the base, and we are going to mount the new one. Now we start to mounting the new spare. You have to be sure that the alignment it's good. Yeah, as you can see. So we are tightening the spindle of the air cylinder until the end of the nut or end of the thread until the nut, that is the lock nut. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, shares. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you.